Hello guys, today we prepare another kind of panettone with different taste inside with different ingredients, plus we will use the stand mixer because in my mind I thought nobody have at home, but many people ask me if I have the stand mixer, what I should do, how long I need to wait from one passages to another. Today we will see together. So inside the jar of the stand mixer I put 120 grams of water, 10 grams more or less of fresh yeast, and now we will add 155 grams of Manitoba flour, that is high protein flour. We work a little bit the dough with the mixer, and after we should wait that the starter become the double in dimension. The start the no fermentation because it's not a beer or a wine. They start to rise up until it's the double. After 1 hour, our starter is ready. Now I put again the jar in my stand mixer and we mix for 1 minute. And after we will add all the other ingredients. How long the mixer should work? Until the ingredient that you add disappears, so is a catch, we can say, from the dough. How fast should go the mixer? Usually I use to the minimum power. Very easy. I don't tell you all the ingredients because I will write down here every time that I will add the ingredient to the mixer. See you later. We cover again with the plastic film, and now we should wait that the dough become the double. See you later. After 4 hours, our dough raised very well, it's more than the double. Before that we work again with the last ingredients, I explain you only about the figs. We will use 100-120 grams of figs, are 7 dry figs, but important is to remove this part where they are attached to the plant, because this is very hard. So you remove it and you cut with a knife in small pieces. After, we need also 50 grams of white chocolate that we will cut also with a knife. 50 grams of chocolate chips, the extra dark. And I will use also 50 grams of walnuts that I put in the brandy. You already watched the video. In the video of the walnuts, I eat them with cheese, but you can use for a cake like this, or also put on the ice cream. Very, very spectacular. So now we put our jar to the stand mixer. We work a little bit of dough like this, and after we start to add the ingredient. Every time that I add one ingredient, I will write you down the quantity. Okay, our dough is ready, but now it's too late. So I will cover with the plastic film or plastic wrap, and I will store in the fridge. tomorrow morning we will go ahead with our recipe. See you tomorrow! Remember to remove the dough from the fridge at least 1 or 2 hours before that you work it, if not, it will be too hard. Now with this I will smash a little bit the dough, and after I will put in my paper pot, and we should wait that raise up again. When the panettone reach the top, we can bake it. So see you later. After 9 hours, you can see that the panettone reach the top of our paper pot. Now I will put some walnuts, the one that I put in the brandy, here on the top, and after we bake in the oven preheated at 180 Celsius degree for 10 minutes, and after we drop the temperature at 170 Celsius degree. After that you remove from the oven, you need to put the panettone upside down because it's still soft. So I bake it 10 minutes at 180 Celsius degree plus 40 minutes at 170 Celsius degree. Now it's too hot, we should wait at least 8 hours, so tomorrow morning we will test it. Our panettone is cold, also if it's a little bit flat, the taste will be spectacular. Now we will cover it with the chocolate. So in the pot I will put 60 grams of water, 35 grams of sugar. When the sugar melts, I will add 80 grams of dark chocolate. Be careful, the fire should be always at the minimum power. After we cover with the chocolate, maybe I will add some nuts and the sugar balls. See you later. And our panettone is ready. Now we can taste it. The leftover chocolate, naturally we don't throw away, but you can use after that you cut the panettone in slices. Spectacular. Okay guys, see you in the next video because I think that this video is already too long. You can eat this panettone drinking the orange wine on May. They together will be even more spectacular. Bye bye!